Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you the very popular, very melodious song of 90s Chhupana bhi nahi aata from the movie Baazigar. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in standard tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 5 chords, and these chords are chord A minor, chord C, chord F, chord G and chord D. Now to play chord A minor you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song we are using a common strumming pattern, that is down up, 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 down up. So guys, down up is the basic pattern. However, in the song it will sound little different. So let me explain you this with the help of an example. So right now we are using chord A minor and chord G, and I will explain you how this pattern sounds when you switch it from one chord to the other. Okay, so let's say we are starting on chord A minor, so we'll play it like this. Okay, so you'll play it. So have you seen we are starting on chord A minor? Let me explain you this very slowly. So we are playing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we are switching to chord G. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we are again going to chord A minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we are again going to chord G. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So guys, to play this song I'll be using a capo and placing it on 3rd fret. Now in case you have a higher skill than me, then you can move this capo up on the fretboard or you can move it down on the fretboard as per your choice, and you can use the same chords what we are using in this lesson. So now let's start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. छुपाना भी नहीं आता, जताना भी नहीं आता। छुपाना भी नहीं आता, जताना भी नहीं आता। है बताना भी नहीं आता, जताना भी नहीं आता, बताना भी नहीं आता। हथेली पे तुम्हारा नाम लिखते हैं, मिटाते हैं। हथेली पे तुम्हारा नाम लिखते हैं, मिटाते हैं। तुम्हीं से प्यार करते हैं, तुम्हीं से ही क्यों छुपाते हैं, तुम्हीं से ही क्यों छुपाते हैं। रिझाना भी नहीं आता, मनाना भी नहीं आता। हमें तुमसे मोहब्बत है, बताना भी नहीं आता, जताना भी नहीं आता, मनाना भी नहीं आता। So guys, I'm sure आपको ये लेसन पसंद आया होगा. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. And if you have a song request, then do write to me on Instagram. The handle is right here on your screen. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.